In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress ring in Figma. Open Figma and head into a file where you want to work. You can use an existing design or create a fresh canvas. To keep everything tidy, select the Frame tool and choose a desktop preset. This gives you a clean, predictable workspace with a defined size, which makes alignment and exporting easier later. With your frame selected, set a background color that contrasts well with your ring. You can change the fill in the right-hand panel. A light neutral background works great if you plan to use a bright accent for the progress. Now let's draw the ring. Choose the ellipse tool, then click and drag while holding Shift to create a perfect circle. Make it large enough to be readable. In the right panel, remove the fill and add a stroke. Increase the stroke weight so the ring has presence. Something like medium to thick works well for dashboards. For a polished look, set the stroke cap to round so the ends of the arc feel smooth. With the ellipse selected, enable the arc controls in the right panel. You'll see handles around the shape that let you define the start and end angles. Drag those handles to represent the progress you want. You're essentially visualizing a percentage here. The more of the arc you reveal, the higher the progress appears. You can fine-tune the angles numerically if you want precise control. Duplicate that circle to create a background track. You can duplicate by using a keyboard shortcut or by alt-dragging. On the duplicate, adjust the arc so it forms a full ring, or a subtle, barely open arc that sits behind the progress. Place it directly behind the first ring and make sure both are centered. Change the colors for each ring. Give the background ring a muted, low-contrast tone so it doesn't compete for attention. Then set your progress ring to a high-contrast accent color. If your brand supports it, a gradient can add depth, but keep accessibility in mind. Add a percentage label with the text tool and type the value you're representing. Increase the font size and choose a clear, legible style. Bold or semi-bold often reads better at a glance. Center the text both horizontally and vertically inside the ring so it feels balanced. Finally, make any needed adjustments. Tweak stroke weight, refine the start angle to match your design language, nudge the text for perfect optical alignment, and name your layers for easy reuse. And that's your clean, customizable progress ring in Figma.